Good day, everybody! Welcome to Education 305, and you're still with me, Teacher K. And for today's video, we are going to discuss a fresh and new topic. Today, we are going to talk about students with exceptional needs, particularly students with autism. We are now at the times where the inclusivity of education and the aspect of education is pushed and pursued. This means that everybody can enjoy and has the privilege of being educated. And what do we mean by everybody? This includes people with or without exceptional needs or disabilities. Let us now talk about students with autism. Autism, as defined by the Person Education in 2018, is a complex and increasingly prevalent disability where the students present characteristics along a spectrum of severity, primarily diagnosed according to criteria established in the DSM-V, usually before the age of 3. Students with autism demonstrate significant challenges when it comes to verbal and non-verbal communication. Their social interaction can negatively impact their academic performance. And also, students with autism often engage in repetitive behaviors, have difficulty with change, perceive sensory information atypically. Students with milder forms are typically in the general education classroom. Children over the age of 3 can be identified, so teachers may need to make a systematic observations and complete a checklist. There are several ways on how to teach students with autism. Manolis in 2016 proposed techniques on teaching students with autism. The first one is avoid sensory overload, where the fluorescent lights, smells, and noises from the other students inside the classroom can make it difficult for students with autism to concentrate. The second one is use visuals. Using pictures and modeling will mean more to students with autism than a lengthy explanation. The third one is keep language concrete. This means that you should avoid using a figurative language. And last one, the fourth one, treat students as individuals. So, if you're a teacher with students with autism, it's so important to model patience, understanding, and respect when working in the classroom with any special learners. There are also several ways in accommodating the students with autism while performing their assessments. The Center for Autism Research and the Children's Hospital of Philadelphia in 2020 released these techniques. The first one is more time to take tests and quizzes for students with autism. The second one, taking the test in a quiet location far away from the rest of the class. The third one is giving verbal responses rather than written. And the last one is doing an alternate assessment, such as a project, instead of doing an essay. The following people are diagnosed with autism. The first one is Kentin Pangilinan, who is the son of the Filipina actress Kenty Pangilinan. Kentin was a non-verbal communicator or cannot communicate via speech or via word. So, his family are required to learn sign language in order for them to communicate with him. Another person with autism is Brian Andres. Brian Andres is the brother of Sofia Andres, which is a Filipina actress. Brian Andres is formerly diagnosed with congenital heart disease, but eventually it heals on its own as the time passed by. That's all for today, everybody. Hope you learned something. And this is Teacher K reminding you all that let's keep learning. Bye guys!